One of the traditional ways to make the seasoning sauce for soy sauce ramen, in Japanese we call it Shoyu-Tare, is to make use of CHARSHU sauce. That's because CHARSHU sauce has a lot of umami from pork and intensified soy sauce flavor. And just by adding a few more umami elements, we can make a perfect seasoning sauce. It's a lot easier to prepare than you think, so just follow this recipe and make your own Shoyu-Tare. Let's get started. Firstly, pour 500 ml of CHARSHU sauce in a saucepan. If you'd like to know how to make the CHARSHU sauce, make sure to check out my latest CHARSHU recipe. Then in goes 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG. This helps bind different kinds of umami into one. Add 5 grams of Hokkaido kombu. Finally, 4 dried shiitake mushrooms. Combining different elements of umami like this enhances the sauce dramatically, and this is called umami synergy. Now begin to heat the sauce on medium heat. When you see small bubbles coming out, turn down to the lowest heat and simmer for 20 minutes. Now 20 minutes up, turn off the heat and let it cool down. Remove the kombu and shiitake mushrooms from the sauce. Now here's a tip. Make sure to squeeze out the soy sauce absorbed into the mushrooms. This way you can get extra umami from them. Well, I recommend keeping the sauce in an empty soy sauce bottle as it's convenient when you use it. The bottle doesn't take up so much space in the fridge as well. Alright, that was how to make Shoyu-Tare for ramen. This will last in the fridge for 3 months or so. Alright, that's it for this video. If you liked my recipe, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you later.